Hello student, we go over O6, solve a quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. Okay, so here we go. So first I would go and identify ABC. Alright, so A right here. Oh, let's do it again. Okay, A, B, and C. So you can see A equal -2. B equal number 10, and then C equal -11. Okay, first I find the discriminant delta B squared subtract 4AC. Okay, so B squared subtract 4AC. I put in parentheses. So here we go. B is number 10, I put right here. A, that's a -2, and C a -11. Okay. So let's do the math over here. 10 squared, that's 100. Subtract times subtract times subtract, that's a subtract. Okay. So 8 times 11, that's 88. So together, I come out positive 12. So if you take square root of delta, that's a square root of 12. Okay. So now, apply the formula. Subtract b plus minus square root of delta over 2a. Okay, so I put it in. Subtract b plus minus square root of delta, I come out square root of 12, so I put it in, over 2a. Okay, so let's find the b. Where's the b? Here we go. The b is right here, that's a number 10, so I put number 10 right here, and then over 2a, a is -2. Okay, so now take a look over here. I would simplify a little bit. -10 with -4, that's a 10 over 4. Okay, plus minus, and then plus, if you simplify by minus, become minus, minus, simplify by minus, become plus. Ooh, square root of 12, I should break it down. Square root of 12, that is 4 square root of 4 times 3, square root 4 times 3. So 2 square root of 3. Okay, so we can simplify a little bit further. So I get my eraser over here. I change this one to 2 square root of 3. Alright, so 2 square root of 3. Where are my pens here? Alright, so 2 square root of 3. Alright, so I can simplify a little bit further. So now take a look. 10 with 4, that becomes 5 over 2. And then plus minus, and then the number 2, you simplify with number 4, become number 2. So square root of 3. Okay, so now I put my answer in. Here we go. So first I put the fraction line, number 5 plus square root of 3 over 2. Alright, the other form answer is 5 subtract square root of 3 and then over 2. Okay, let me double check. Yeah, that's it. Done. Submit. I should be correct. Voila. Okay, this is problem over here. Let's identify A, B, and C. So if you don't see a number, it's a hidden number 1, you guys. So A equal 1. B equal 1, and then C equal number 5. Okay, let's find the discriminant. B squared subtract 4AC. So B squared subtract 4A and then C. Alright, so let's put in. Here we go. B is number 1. A is also number 1, and then C number 5. So I come out 1 squared, that's at 1, and this is subtract 20. So that's -19. So square root of -19, that is square root of delta. So that should be square root of 19 times -1. Alright? So that become square root of 19 and square root of -1, that's an I. You can put the I in the front. So the formula is subtract b plus minus square root of delta over 2b. Okay, so I put it in, subtract b plus minus square root delta is I square root of 19 over 2a. Alright, a is number 1. So B is also number 1. Okay, so now I come out. That's it. You cannot simplify further. So the answer is subtract 1 plus minus I square root of 19 over 2. Okay, so I got 2 answers. Let's put in 2 answers over here. All right, so I put subtract 1 plus I square root of 19 over 2. That's a number 1. That's the problem. That's the first solution. The second solution is subtract 1, subtract I square root of 19 over 2. Over 2. Okay, that's it. Done. Voila. Ah, they said incorrect. What happened here? What did I do wrong here? Subtract 1. Oh my God. Oh my God, that is weird. I put the I in the back and they're not happy. They want the I in the front. That is so weird. You see here? Here my answer exactly the same. You see that? Here we go. Okay, so they want you to break down the fraction like the two part. Okay, so we do exactly what they want. All right. So they want you to break it down. I did not break it down. I have the same answer, you guys. All right, I have the same answer. All right, so let's do it again. So break them apart. Okay, so let's do one more time here. Okay, here we go. So A, B, and C. Okay, so A is negative 3, B is number 5, C negative 7. Okay, delta is B squared subtract 4AC. Okay, here we go. Okay, so here we go. I got A, B, and C. So A is negative 1, B is number A, and then C is negative 7. So the delta equal B squared subtract 4AC. All right, let's put it in. B squared subtract 4AC. All right, let's find the B. B is number A, so I put right here. A is negative 1. C is negative 7. Okay, so the front I come out 64. The back I come out subtract 28. Okay, 4 subtract 14 subtract 8. That's a 6. Remember 1. Oh, 36. Beautiful. So square root of delta is square root of 36, which is number 6. Okay, so let's substitute in the formula. Subtract B plus minus square root of delta over 2A. Okay, so let's do this over here. Subtract B. B is number A, so subtract A plus minus square root of delta. We have it right here. That is number 6, so I put in number 6. And then 2A. A happened to be negative 1. Okay. So now we have it. Okay. With the plus sign, negative A. So 2 answers over here. With the plus sign, negative A plus 6 divided by negative 2. Okay. Negative A plus 6, that's negative 2. Negative 2 divided by negative 2, that's positive 1. The second solution is subtract A, subtract 6 over negative 2. So negative 14 divided by negative 2, that's a positive 7. So 2 answers, 1 and 7. Okay, 1 and 7. Oh, the number is so beautiful. Maybe I should double check one more time. Subtract 8. So subtract 8 right here. Plus minus 6 over 2A. With the plus sign, I come out negative 2 over negative 2, that's a 1. With the subtract sign, negative 14 over negative 2, 7. All right, I'm to be correct. Voila. All right, thank you for your times. Here we go.